My mother said I'm too romantic. She said you're dancing in the movie. I almost started to believe her. Then I saw you and I knew. Maybe it's 'cause I got a little bit older. Maybe it's all that I've been through. I'd like to think it's how you lean on my shoulder. And now I see myself with you. I don't say a word, but still you take my breath. And still the things I know. There you go, saving me from out of the cold.
We made it to 1100 subs. Okay, I know sometimes we just don't be grateful for simple things that happen in our lives, but once in a while, man, you just gotta be grateful because
There's a movement
bro, if you broke, don't come here, bro.
A large part of the tech ecosystem is quite concerning. I mean, I'm a Nigerian and I use a couple of fintech products. And one problem we have is infrastructure problem, the internet, electricity, and even the average Nigerian market woman can't use many of these fintech products. And so it begs the question to investors, why do we keep investing in fintech when those we are preparing these products for can't use them?
Look at that, bro. Look how cool the place is, bro. God damn.
Alright, boys, man. So we just did some networking, and it's getting, a little bit cloudy. There's no sun, but man, I don't know how it's gonna feel. It's a cool day, as y'all can see. So, about to grab something to eat right now, or drink or whatever, and that's just gonna be it. Founders doof. Yeah, but still, you gotta protect your stuff. The squad, man, going back, you feel me? Yo, boy, so here's the thing, bro. It's already like, I think, dark outside, as you can see, bro. But we're still locked in, I'm actually doing some liquid problem here, as you can see. It's a very hard problem. I can't lie to you. It's written as medium, but stuff is hard. I spent like 30 minutes trying to reason, but I couldn't come up with any algorithm. So that is coding for you, brother. That's lead code, man. Let's get it. So yeah.
Boys, as y'all can see, bro, we're still locked in, man. I mean, yeah, you know where I'm at. Just trying to ease myself, and we'll go back to locking in. Let's get it. That you might think that, yeah, for them to like put you on like blacklist. Facts.
Okay. And we're like 10, my dog.
Alright, going back home, man. Let's get it. The road looks cool, bro. I like this weather, man. Shit. Wow. Alright, man. That makes it a wrap for the day, man. Let's get it. You started having the spirit to talk in public. Nah, bro. I just like this cool place. You see that Kigali sign thing? Almost everybody here knows it.
Like if you don't get a ticket, it's like you have never been to Kigali.
Nah, this is too cool. Yo, bro, look at that view. You look at that. Bruh, look at this. God damn. Scary. Just going back now. This is day 2.
Registered Rwanda Development Board, but I'm not sure if that would be possible maybe in another country. So the first is, have you decided that you're going to do, asset light?
Stays here. We had to move. We had to find a way to get here. And I'd like to quickly ask, have you ever sat in traffic and you wonder, you know what, things could be better, right? Anyone?
To the end of our program. It's been such a pleasure spending time with you for these past 2 days of Norrsken Africa Week 2025, and hopefully we will be able to spend this time again at the next one. But for right now, we are closing out. So I would like for you to go ahead and join me in welcoming for the official closing word, Norrsken's very own head of partnerships here at the Kigali House, Lina Ninja.